Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone, it's me Sabina with my October 2022 newsletter video blog summary. It's very short. This month I'm continuing to heal with my shoulder issues. Many of you will know that I've had problems with my shoulders over the past few years, but I had a procedure in January for my left shoulder and now I'm living with pain in my right shoulder. But this month I've been unable to participate in any fair trade activities and webinars because I've had a stomach infection and I've had the flu. So health is wealth and self-care is priority. I look forward to participating in more fair trade activities next month and recording another video for you soon. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye for now. Walaikum assalam.